Welcome to Space Yatra, folks. Don't just read about space, step into the adventure. Let's explore what we have done for you guys. So, you want to know about space weather? Then go here and discover the amazing world of space weather and how it affects our planet. Just scroll down and know about the even simple and very clear information about solar flares and CMES. It's nothing but coronal mass injections and solar wind, and also know about some fun facts about that and how the space weather actually works with some simple animated video for you guys. And what happens when space weather reaches the Earth? So, what about satellites and radio signals, aurora, and power grids? Know more about it, guys. Then, you know what are the impacts of this space when it impacts on our Earth. So, discover how space weather affects different aspects of our planet. So, we have three things. So here we have the beautiful story to read you guys. So you can read the stories and some questions are there to think for you and also some imagination facts which you can imagine and also final some quick message for you guys. Then let's know more about stories. So here we chosen some character and we discover their space weather adventures. Here meet our former Sam, Captain Maya and Commander Alex and Mia and Leo. So here also you can know about the stories. Just see and read it and enjoy the stories. Finished, click the finish stories, it will move back. Then let's know live space weather data. So are you interested? Real-time space weather information from the NASA and NOAA. So here we know about the today's space weather and its last updated thing and the solar wind speed, solar wind density, and what will be the geomagnetic storm index, and what will be the sunspot number. So everything you can see here, and some interactive visualizations also there. So where the active sun model, and we can see the active regions, solar rays. So it will run like this, and aurora forecast map also we can see here what is current aurora activity. It is high. Aurora should be visible in many things and the low means what, so it will be explained here. And what will be the solar wind trends for 24 hours, so you can see here guys. And not last but the least, so here we can see the quizzes for you which contains the some interesting quizzes for you guys to encourage to read more. So here you can see the quizzes. So let's see what will be my result. Okay, great job. Uh-oh, I'm back. Then not last, just you have to know about us too, right? So this is our team name Bit to Byte, and these are our team members and Abhilash Ji, Aniruddha Nagekar, Pradnavi, Tulasi Shetty, and Vaishnavi and Acharya. Thank you so much, guys.